We are excited to introduce our new district and campus websites. Each site has been restructured to provide a more dynamic, consistent, and user-friendly experience, and all sites are responsive to a variety of displays and devices. Please note, while our design and layout have changed, our web address remains the same, ltisdschools.org. Let's take a brief look at some of the features and enhancements our new sites have to offer. Using a desktop computer, the first thing you will notice is a full-frame photo and video gallery. This is a great space to showcase our students and programs. At the top left of the page is the Google Translate icon. You can select from a number of language options. Next to that are several social media icons. Be sure to follow LTISD Schools. On the right side of the screen are frequently visited links, including leadership, staff directory, families, and careers, followed by a search bar and menu with additional resources. At the top right of the page, you will find our schools, where you can select individual campus websites. As we move down the page, you will notice 3 shortcuts where users can enroll their child in our schools, leave an anonymous tip, or get information about our voter-approved bond programs. Have a question? Why not ask our helpful chatbot located just under the shortcuts? As we scroll down and just under the main gallery is the icons bar, which provides quick access to a number of programs and services. Next are upcoming events, followed by news and announcements. The last 2 sections are new additions. By the numbers, where you can find basic district and campus demographics, and mission, reminding users of our core values. Please note, our sites are still a work in progress as we continue to update our content in preparation for the upcoming school year. We thank you for your patience. We hope that our new websites will serve as valuable resources, innovative tools, and a source of pride for the Lake Travis ISD community.